Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, and if you're existing, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and thank you guys so much for viewing my videos. Guys, we are indeed growing and I love it. So guys, welcome to spend a day with me. I will be cleaning this room. So we went to the first date and with the intention of leaving the kids behind. So when we got there, these kids, they didn't want to be left behind. Can you believe it? And they are on school holidays. So yeah, and since we got back, we haven't unpacked and the room has been so messy. So today I am spending the day making sure that this room is clean until Auntie comes back, guys. Quick story. So I thought the kids will be left behind go Free State, and then I actually gave Auntie a whole week off, and then she went to Lesotho. So when we came back with the kids, I was like, oh my goodness, who's gonna help me? I'll be working, Happy will be working. So, but luckily we both worked from home for the whole week. And actually, I don't work from home for the whole week, but Happy did. And yeah, and that's how we managed to just keep these little ones entertained. But the apartheid chila, yo guys, and Kaone Feder, she was there watching me on YouTube. So I'm trying to play my videos in the background while I'm busy working or cleaning, whatever that I do. I definitely make sure so it can help me with my wash hours. So yeah, guys, get now yo ashifali ki busy. With you guys, I was so busy. I don't know where I got the energy. My body was just agreeing with me. So I tried to tidy up. Guys, I don't know whether it's me or not, but I don't feel like it's a nice thing for me to leave the place so messes up. Kereke auntie for the whole week, guys. I don't know. I can't do it. Even if I was struggling with the dishes, I had to just put everything in the dishwasher and half when she comes back, she doesn't have to get the house really messy. So yeah, guys, so I was busy in this room. The room no one wants to sleep in. All she wants is to sleep like Khanto, and then Khanto le auntie. So this room is just there to keep her clothes. But I'm sure one day she'll be like, I wanna sleep in my room, because she'll sleep in the room, and then after some few hours she will wake up. I go Khanto's room. So yeah, that is it. So look at it. Happy was trying to help. I get a lot of Mara somewhere somehow he was helping. Oh no, he was, because I was also declustering Kaone's shoes, so I was packing them away and I'll give them away because Didinyane, they don't feed her anymore and just taking up space. So I'm trying to decluster room by room. This is how it looks. It looks so clean. Oh my goodness, I'm very proud of myself. See you downstairs. Okay guys, I think we are done with this room cleaning. It was a lot. I'm exhausted. So yeah, I think I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. I'm not sure, but right now I'm so hungry. I need chips and some burger patty. I think I should go do that. Let's actually go do that. I don't think I have time to clean the kitchen and the living area. Or let's just do it, guys. I think I still have energy. Let me do it. But I don't want to strain my leg and my back. So I'll see how far I can get. And then if I can't get far, I'm just going to leave it. So yeah, guys, actually the space down here, it wasn't that bad. It just needed me to pack things away then. So yeah, you see, I'm cleaning. This is where my videos are playing. I'm playing them. So please, guys, please play my video in the background. That will help me a lot. So yeah, I'm just trying to clean up the kitchen before I could make dinner. So we had chips with beef patty and some cheese and evil. Yeah, we didn't go for some bun, so we actually had bunless burgers. So yeah, the chipsy I made homemade. So kereka kg, guys, king 7 kg or something. So kereka kg for the chips. Now I am really tired of buying this expensive frozen chips. So when I have a free time, most of the time I just peel my potatoes and freeze them. So I peel and then cut them into chips and freeze. So in that way I have my own homemade frozen chips. So it gets easier. So yeah, guys, and I was busy jamming to Hubby's new song. So he made this banging song, so we were busy dancing. I'm sure you'll hear the song in the next clip. So I did voiceover because of some copyright on here. This is Hansora Tobi. Nawana Tobi, guys, but na Tololo. Yeah, guys, that's the song. Let me know how you feel about the song. Nayena, I get next music. Get hopeless. I don't wanna lie. So yeah, but it sounded so nice. We could actually jam with it. So yeah, ke busy mo kirana little chipsy. So ke katile mazambana. So in most cases I don't like peeling the potatoes, so it's just a waste of time. So I cut them, wash, pat them dry, and then start frying them. So I was also trying to make some glazed onion, guys. I crave the onions, chips, and burgers, right? Then I busy making onions. Halfway through, I'm like, I don't want this thing anymore. But then I made them anyway. But I didn't even eat them because I wasn't listening for them anymore. So yeah, those were my chips. That's how they looked. And then in that bowl, I just melted butter, added parsley. My husband loved parsley. And then added hot chips so they can just stick. And then I ended with Parmesan cheese on top. The chips were very nice. So now let's make the patty. So I'm using the rolls. It's easier to use the rolls, guys. You don't need to add your binding agent, your corn flour, your breadcrumbs, your eggs, and whatnot. This is just the easiest method ever. So you get to be smart, guys. I've used the bowl that had butter and parsley, so that's why I want a little greening yana. So then there I was shaping my patties, and then in a hot pan I added my patties without any oil, because obviously it's raw, it does contain oil. And also I have mixed a little bit of leftover butter in there. That's how they look. You see, there's a whole lot of oil in the pan. There was no need for me to add any oil. So within that, I cooked them for some few minutes. Sorry for yawning, guys. I voice over stairs sebedisa, and then I spread my chili mayo, and I added cheese on one. I added Evo, that's mine. Hubby doesn't like Evo that much, so his one I had to put Evo on the side. So yeah, guys, and it was very late. So for the very first time, we ate supper very late. I think it was around 7:30. So yeah, this is how it looks. That's how the food actually looks, and it tasted so good. See you guys on my next one. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have watched this far, please leave me some heart. Let's engage, guys, and thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please watch until you see the final dish. I am really tired with the voiceover. But yeah, guys, that's basically how the burgers looked. So now let's dish up. That's not my plate. It's not mine. Yeah, and that's mine. That's mine. There's an envelope inside. So ke batla tlhakatlhakano, ke batla go ja ke fetsa, ke batla go jela ko masaeteng. So yeah, that's how it looks. It looked so great. Thanks, guys. Bye.